London belongs to the ocean. Tell me the story again. The slaves who belong to the sea, the promise of new life and more, were dashed on the rocks by the shore. And the only treasure in store was your freedom. So join the ghosts, the southwest coast, doubloons, jewels and ivory, with fourscore and more washed upon the shore in the rocky waters of Rapparee. To Bristol we are bound. The wind was filling our sails, and at Ilfracombe we set to ground to take refuge away from the gales. But these men, they had God on their side, so we moored off the harbour with our cargo to hide. Where the slaves and prisoners died, we found freedom. The southwest coast, doubloons, jewels and ivory, with fourscore and more washed upon the shore in the rocky waters of Rapparee. In 1796, sailed through the Atlantic Ocean, but the rogue Captain Robinson's course set from Holland and bound for damnation. And the London, she floundered at last, breaking the bones of the men like the spine of the mast, and 100 condemned souls were cast to their freedom. Join the ghosts, the southwest coast, doubloons, jewels and ivory, with fourscore and more washed upon the shore in the rocky waters of Rapparee. Tell me the story again, why the London belongs to the ocean. Tell me the story again, the slaves who belong to the sea, the promise of new life and more, were dashed on the rocks on this North Devon shore, and the only treasure in store was your freedom. So join the ghosts, the southwest coast, doubloons, jewels and ivory, with fourscore and more washed upon the shore in the rocky waters of Rapparee. So join the ghosts, the southwest coast, doubloons, jewels and ivory, with fourscore and more washed upon the shore in the rocky waters of Rapparee. So join the ghosts of the southwest coast, doubloons, jewels and ivory, with fourscore and more washed upon the shore in the rocky waters of Rapparee.